and go. From the heart of our home we create with care. Every cup, every tea tells a story to share. Handmade with love, every detail is true. Made for the dreamer